must be knowing me. I am Anupam ma'am, your English teacher for this year, and I want to show you your grammar book. See, this one is your grammar book, and today we are going to start chapter number 1 from your grammar book, although this chapter is completed in the live class. Okay, so I am going to prepare a video on this chapter, that is chapter 1, alphabetical order. Now let us first understand that what is alphabetical order. Before making you understand what is alphabetical order, let me tell you one interesting thing, that alphabetical order is also known as ABC order. Alphabetical order is also known as ABC order. Okay, that means alphabetical order has another name, that is called ABC order. Alphabetical order को ABC order भी बोला जाता है. Now we know the letters of the alphabet by heart by now. अभी तक. Now you are in class 2. You know that the alphabetical order, that means कि जो English alphabet के 26 letters हैं, उनका order आपको पता है. That A, then B, then C, then D, E, F. It goes in an order. एक sequence में जाता है, जो कि sequence उसका fix है. Okay. Now let me write on the board, then you will get to know that the 26th letter of English alphabet has an order, that A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, H. All these letters I am writing in an order, and because they are the letters of alphabet, that's why it is called an alphabetical order. कि alphabets को कैसे order में लिखते हैं. So the letters of the alphabet that we have learned कि नर्सरी में KG1 KG2 में जब भी आपने पढ़ा है, उसको आपने एक order में पढ़ा है. Okay, so the order is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z or Z. Okay. Now all the letters are written in an order. A to Z letters are written in an order. अब मैम आपको ये बताएगी कि मैम आपको इस चीज को क्यों बता रही है कि ये सारे लेटर्स अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में लिखे हैं. एटलीस्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू फॉर 5 to 6 टाइम. अभी तक 5 से 6 बार मैम ने इस चीज को रिपीट किया है. व्हाई एम आई रिपीटिंग इट? बिकॉज आई वांट टू let you know that what is the importance of an alphabetical order. ये सारा जो order है उसका importance क्या है और इसका use आप कहाँ करते हैं. Where do we use it? Okay. Now let me give you an example. Suppose we have got some letters from here. इसमें से कुछ letters हमारे पास वहाँ चले जाएंगे. Okay. Here I am writing some letters like first I have written T, then I have written X, then I have written P or B, and then I have written R. Okay. Now there are 4 letters over there, T, X, B, R. Now I want to write them in an alphabetical order. ये जो T, X, B, R मैंने लिखा है, उसे मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में मैं लिखूं. Now I want to write them in an alphabetical order. That means कि I have to make it ensure that कौन सा लेटर मुझे पहले लिखना है, क्योंकि जब A से लेके Z तक है तब तो हमको पता है A के बाद B के बाद C के बाद D के बाद E आएगा. लेकिन ये सारे जो लेटर्स है वो तो मिक्स में है ना. पहले T आ गया, यहाँ से हमने T उठा लिया. We have written T from here. Then from here I have written X. Then from here I have chosen B. And then at last I have chosen R. So what would be the sequence in an alphabetical order? The sequence of alphabetical order says that जो ABCD में पहले आता है वही पहले लिखा जाएगा. तो आपने देखा अभी मैंने B को सर्कल किया, T को किया, R को किया और X को सर्कल किया. Now according to the alphabetical order, इसमें सबसे पहले कौन सा लेटर आएगा? Yes, it will be B, then R, then T, then X. So if I am going to write it in an alphabetical order, it will be, yes, B, then R, T, X. So the four chosen letter T, X, B, R in an alphabetical order becomes B, R, T, X. Okay? Now let me give you another example. ये example पहला था कि alphabetical order होता क्या है. ठीक है? Now the second example. One more letters example I will give you. After that, we will go for some tough examples. Now, some of the chosen letters are L, C, Q, Z. What did I say? I said L, C, Q, Z. Now I am asking you, is the series L, C, Q, Z in an alphabetical order? क्या ये alphabetical order में है? No, this is not in alphabetical order, क्योंकि alphabetical order के हिसाब से तो सबसे पहले C आता है, उसके बाद L आता है. That means it has to be written in an alphabetical order. So in ABC order, which letter comes first? Yes, it is C. Then L. Then Q. And then Z. Q and Z are written in alphabetical order, but L and C are not written. So the correct sequence according to the alphabetical order is C, L, Q, Z. Yes, this is called alphabetical order. This is called alphabetical order. Now I think that you must have known that what is an alphabetical order. To write the words in the correct sequence according to the sequence of the alphabet is known as alphabetical order. Till now I have given you the example of alphabetical order using the letters. Now I have got 4 new words. I have got 4 words: orange, pear, grapes and cherry. ये 4 words मेरे पास है and I need to write it in alphabetical order if they are not written in alphabetical order. ये चारों words को, that is orange, pear, grapes and cherry को मुझे alphabetical order में लिखना है. I need to write them in an alphabetical order. So what will be the sequence that we need to find out? So for writing any word in an alphabetical order or for writing the words in alphabetical order, we need to follow some rules, or we can say we need to follow some steps. And the step is just read out the word. So I am reading it out: orange, pear, grapes, cherry. There are 4 words. The second step is you need to mark the first letter. So what are the first letter? Here it is O, then P, G, C. What are the letters? It is O, P, G and C. Now, when I have written A to Z, it is clearly visible that if we are going to write it in alphabetical order, the order will be C, G, O, P. C, G, O, P. That means if I am going to write them in an alphabetical order, the words will be as C for cherry, then G for grapes. I think this is visible to you. Then O for orange, and P for pear. So the names of the fruits in an alphabetical order will be cherry, grapes, orange, pear. Okay. Now class 2. Just imagine that you have got 10 words to write it in alphabetical order. आपको 10 words मिले हैं alphabetical order में लिखने के लिए. So will you be writing A to Z every time? क्या आप हर बार A to Z लिखते रहोगे? It will take a lot of time, isn't it? Isn't it? So I have a shortcut for that. कि आपको इतना लंबा लिखना भी नहीं पड़ेगा A to Z, और सिर्फ आप with the help of recalling A to Z, you can do it in a minute. Okay, so I am going to give you example for writing the words in an alphabetical order without writing ABC. Okay, now let's do that. So class 2, where were we? We were in the explanation part of alphabetical order, and alphabetical order is also known as ABC order. Okay, now let me give you an example. As I have given example number 1 is this. Now I am going to write example number 2 as I am going to write the names of some flower. Okay, like lily, then tulip, rose, and marigold. I have got 4 flowers name, and I need to write them in alphabetical order. That means again I have to write 4 words here, but in an alphabetical order. So what I am going to do? First you have to read all the words: lily, tulip, rose, marigold. Second step. In the second step you need to mark the first letter L, T, R, M. Then what I will do? I will start saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z. It is not needed to say up to Z. Just I will wait for the letter that I will come across first. मैं उस लेटर का वेट करूंगी जो मुझे सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा. So here I am saying ABC for the letters L, T, R and M. So here I go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, letter that I got is L. That means Lily will come first again. So I have told up to L. Now I will start from L. L, M, M. I have got my second flower, that is marigold. Because after L I got M. So here it is. Lily, marigold. Then again L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. I have got the third flower of alphabetical order as rose. And the last one will be tulip. So this is the manner how we write the words in an alphabetical order. So this was the explanation part, that what is an alphabetical order and how do we write the words in alphabetical order. Okay. Now I will do two exercises from page number 11. I will do two exercises from page number 11. So class 2, now I am here on the exercise, in your grammar book, chapter number 1, page number 11. Okay, on page number 11 there are two exercises. I am going to solve them. The first exercise has 8 words. And what are the words? You can read here: house, nest, bird, umbrella, scarf, wool, pen, kangaroo. Okay. Now what we need to do then with them? We have to put them in an alphabetical order. उसको alphabetical order में put करना है, लेकिन मैम ने तो यहाँ blanks नहीं दिए हैं. So how we will put them in the alphabetical order? जब ठीक है. So the instruction is you have to put number according to the alphabetical order. जो word alphabetical order में पहले आएगा उसमें number 1 put करना है, then 2, then 3, then so on. Okay. Now these are 8 words. That means the number will come. The number will go up to 8. The number will go 1 up to 8. Now we have to put them in an alphabetical order. What is the first rule? The first step is to read the words. So I am reading out the words: house, nest, bird, umbrella, scarf, job, wool, pen and kangaroo. The second step is to mark the first letter. H for house, N for nest, B for bird, U for umbrella, S for scarf, W for wool, P for pen, K for kangaroo. Now in the third step what I will do, I will start saying ABC, and the letter, when I get the letter I will stop there and I will put the number. Okay. So I have to go for H, N, B, U, S, W, P, K. Okay. Now I am ready with my chalk. Now A, B. B for bird is the first word of alphabetical order. After B what comes? B, C, E, F, G, H. H is the second word in alphabetical order. After that H, I, J, K. K for kangaroo is the third word in alphabetical order. After K what comes? K, L, M, N. I've got N as 4. N for nest is at number 4. N, O, P. P is the fifth one. P for pen is the fifth one. And again after P, P, Q, R, S. S is the sixth one. S for scarf. Got sixth position in alphabetical order. After S, T, U. U is at number 7. And at last W for wool is at number 8. So what is the alphabetical order? What will be the alphabetical order? It will be bird, house, kangaroo, nest, pen, scarf, umbrella, wool. These are the alphabetical order of these 8 words. Now one more question is there. It is just a simple question in which there are 6 words: school, desk, book, teacher, classroom, pencil. Okay, let me erase it. Now class 2, see here, page number 11, exercise 2. There are 6 words: school, desk, book, teacher, classroom, pencil. 6 words are given and we have to write them in an alphabetical order, and beneath that 6 blanks are given: dash, 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 dash. Okay, so for writing in an alphabetical order, यहाँ पर अगर मैं alphabetical order में लिख दूँ तो देखने वाले को ये नहीं पता चलेगा if I am writing top to bottom or if I am writing side by side. So for that I need to mark them. So I am marking them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will start writing them in alphabetical order. For writing them in alphabetical order, what is the first step? It is to read out the words. So I am reading out: school, desk, book, teacher, classroom, pencil. The second step, I will mark the first letter. S for school, D for desk, B for book, T for teacher, C for classroom, P for pencil. Okay? Now, after that I will start writing them in alphabetical order by saying A, B, C. I am looking for the letters that I will come first. Okay? Now, A, B. I got my first word as B for book. Okay? A, B, C. I got my second word as classroom. C, L, A, S, R, O, M. Then A, B, C, D. I got my third word as D for desk. After that, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I got my fourth word as P for pencil. Okay, these words are done. So I am marking it as. Now next is after P, Q, R, S. S for school. I have got my fifth word in alphabetical order as school, and the last one is obvious, teacher. So I am writing here T-E-A-C-H-E-R. So class 2, here in this class I have told you what is an alphabetical order and how, and secondly I have told you that how we can write the letters in an alphabetical order, and if you have got words to write it in alphabetical order, so what are the steps to write it in alphabetical order? And I want to tell you an amazing fact that you have an attendance register in your class जिसमें आपका attendance लिया जाता है. So that register is always written in an alphabetical order. इसका मतलब ये है कि जिसका नाम A से होगा उसका नाम सबसे पहले लिखे जाएगा. If there are 5 students in the class जिसका नाम A से आता है, that means those 5 students names will be written first. उसके बाद next letter के लिए देखेंगे कि A के बाद कौन से लेटर वाले बच्चे हैं. सपोज B से किसी का नाम नहीं है, C से किसी का नाम नहीं है, E से किसी का, D से किसी का नाम नहीं है, डायरेक्ट G से नाम है, तो A के बाद G वाले बच्चे का नाम लिखा जाएगा. So this is a use of alphabetical order, that our names in the attendance register are written in alphabetical order. So, class 2, this was class for today. We have done page number 11 from your grammar book, chapter number 1, alphabetical order. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.